Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. Are you waiting for your promotion? Are you hopeful that you will get promotion because you have worked hard this time? If you're someone who is thinking, I have worked really hard but I have not given promotion, and what could be the reasons? Then this video is for you. Let us see the astrological indicators of getting a promotion. Welcome back, I'm Sonali Joshi, and let us look at the astrological indicators of how one can get a promotion or when one gets a promotion. Those of you who are new to astrology, the promotion is related to the 11th house of your horoscope. So, if there is a benefic planet like Jupiter, Venus transiting through the 11th house of your horoscope, then this is your great time to get that reward promotion that you are looking for. And those are the people who don't have to wait when their Mahadasha or the transit of planet matches with the timing of promotion. They usually get promotions since their horoscope is aligned with this outcome. However, there are many people for whom this may not work. Then is there a way of finding if one is going to get promotion or not? Yes, definitely. So I'm going to suggest few things. Please go ahead and follow them and see if you get the promotion. These are the proven strategies to get a promotion using the horoscope. First thing, work really well with your teammates. Whether they are the people reporting to you or you are reporting to someone and working with someone, make sure when you are in a team, work well. Take your share of workload. One more thing that you must remember in this teamwork, use the language which is soft and helpful. Do not overly criticize. Change your tone when you are coming up with something that could be taken as an insult. Watch out for the language, the words that you use. Whether it's a written communication or the verbal communication, watch out for the words and the tone. If you have left some hobby, maybe it is like reading, drawing, painting, playing some sports, join it. It is a great way to encourage yourself, motivate yourself, and strengthen the third house of horoscope, which is connected to the ultimate promotion and rewards process. If you are married, then there is a golden key with you. Take care of your spouse, treat your spouse with love and respect. The underline is respect. Seek harmony in your relationships or business partnerships. If you are married, it applies to your spouse, relation with your spouse. And if you are not married, then make sure whosoever you deal with as a business partner on day-to-day basis have a harmony in that relationship. Try to seek balance in that relationship. Trying to get more portion of profit and giving the other person less may not work in favor of finding more profitable business. So seek harmony here. Same way, try to use the words that are soft and not hurtful. Third thing, look for a mentor. Try to see if there is any certification, any degree you can do while you are waiting for this promotion or you are working towards this promotion. That way you are strengthening the ninth house of horoscope, which has the mantra of giving you the success. If you have lost touch with some of your mentors, go back, thank them. For example, you remember the manager who hired you, who gave you the first job, and you have lost touch with them, find their contact, get in touch with them, and thank them for their act. That in the same manner, take out the contacts of the people who have helped you rise in life materialistically and thank them. Because as we move forward, we forget these good deeds done by others. In a way, we owe them. This is your time to go back and thank them. Appreciate what they have done for you. And in addition, if somebody is junior to you and they are coming and seeking advice from you, this is a great thing. In fact, reach out to people who are even not even in your sector, your field. And if they are looking for something, some knowledge, some mentorship, and you're good at it, give it. It's up to you whether to charge them for that or not, but make sure you are helping others who are junior to you. And the ultimate thing, have and the ultimate thing is your father. If your father is alive, whether he lives with you or stays away from you, this is a good time to block your calendar to talk to your father. Talk to him, serve him, talk to him respectfully, and try to see if he has something to tell you. Sun in the 10th house are the people would always great, who would always get promotions. They are the leaders. And Sun is your father as well. Strengthen your Sun. Have less ego and talk to your father. Well, probably he's aged a lot, he has different skills than you. However, talking to him, serving him will always benefit you. You may not agree on many things. Be polite, listen to him, and that's it. You don't have to do everything that he is telling you, but have that connect and thank him for whatever he has done for you. This way, you're strengthening your planet Sun, which is the most important planet for giving visibility, recognition, and promotion is what? Promotion is recognition along with a big pay package. So, strengthen the Sun in your horoscope. If you have a boss who is a dictator, who is really not valuing your work, still don't do anything behind his back. Whenever you do something secretly and behind someone's back, very likely you initiate planet Rahu. Rahu can give you shortcuts. However, if the things don't go right, this is falling from grace. You don't want to do that. Instead, reserve time to talk to your boss and see what he is looking for. Maybe not this time, next time you can manage that. And if you do all the mentioned things, you would definitely get promotion. There is one thing I would like to remind you. If you feel, okay, I've done everything and I'm still not getting promotion, it is also dependent on the when you get a favorable dasha of your 11th house. 11th house planet dasha or benefic planet transiting through 11th will definitely make up for whatever promotions you have not given in time, and you will rise on a different level. Have that faith, believe in yourself, and keep working. There is one last thing I would like to suggest regarding getting promotion. Usually, promotion is more money and more recognition. So, the planets involved are Sun and Venus. However, the astrological 11th house is owned by Saturn. So, sacrifice something, donate something, help the needy, and this should be a continuous thing in your life, whether you are retired or whether you are looking for a promotion. Activate this 12th house of which is considered as a loss. However, investing in someone else who is not your blood relative. Invest in that, help them, donate money for charitable organizations, and wait. Well, for some of you, the result would be instant, quick, and some of you will have to wait for your favorable Mahadasha. Hope this helps. If you want to know you're going to get promotion now or later, feel free to contact. Send an email at iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com and I'll be more than happy to do the horoscope reading. Please like and comment on this video. Please share this video with your friends who are waiting for their promotion and would like to know more. And please subscribe to this channel if you have not. When you subscribe, you will be notified when I post the new videos. Thank you. Shivam Bhavatu. Namaste.